I'm holding on, if almost gone. Someday I know I'll finally make it through the gates. Just have to wait. You whisper to me, there's no maybe. There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call.
Today is a new day and we are gonna be doing a what we eat in a day type of day. We have just finished our breakfast. As you saw, we had some croissants with avocado, scrambled egg, and some cheddar cheese. And now we are gonna go for a run. I dropped off my son at school. Yeah. Yeah, say hi. Hi. He officially started school this week and he is thriving, you guys. He's doing so well. He loves it. That makes me very happy because I was a little nervous. You know, he is the first child, so they tend to be a little bit more attached to us. But he is doing amazing, so that's really exciting. So with that being said, we got to do a lot of stuff around here. And one of the things is I have to start running because I have my triathlon. And I signed up for a 5K race that is in 2 weeks. I have not run at all, but I have been doing the Peloton and I've been doing pretty intense workouts on the Peloton. So I'm curious to see if my endurance has gotten better, if my legs feel better when I run. I don't know. We'll see. We'll find out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I made it back from running and now we're gonna do a smoothie. Right, Mama? I'm gonna use a little bit of almond milk. And this is the powder, protein powder that I use. Do you guys use something else? Let me know. I try to use healthy ones. I'm not a huge fan of, I don't know, like a bunch of gunk in them. And this one's pretty good. You get a lot of protein. It tastes good. They have a vanilla and chocolate one. I really like the chocolate one. So that's what we're gonna do in here. And of course, we shake, 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 shake. Let's taste. Oh yeah, that's good. I should put some ice in it. I feel like some ice would make it taste good too. Crushed ice. My little one wants a smoothie, so we're gonna do a smoothie. to add a little bit of garlic salt. I live off of garlic salt. I love it. And I actually have here some ground up or processed, like, what's the word? I can't even think of it. Food processor. I put a whole bunch of stuff in the food processor. It's garlic, we have onion, we have pepper, like a red bell pepper, and I'm going to place it right in here to help give the meat a little bit more flavor. And we will come back. So we're gonna be stuffing some peppers. I have here 2 peppers. They are kind of pretty ripe. So I'm gonna cut them in half and take out the seeds. And that is going to be stuffed in the middle with the ground beef. And we're gonna top it off with some sour cream and Cholula. And I'm also going to fry some plantains for a side. I'm going to add a little bit of cheddar cheese, and the cheese that I'm going to use is sliced cheese, but if you want to, you can shred your own. It's definitely much tastier, much better, but to be honest, I'm feeling lazy. So this is the next best thing. And this is going to go straight into the oven to be broiled a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit of avocado oil to coat the bottom. And we're gonna kind of fry a little bit our plantains. Okay, so I discovered that we have no sour cream. We're gonna add Cholula. Good thing we added some cheese. It tastes really good with sour cream, not gonna lie. So there's that, but this is just really simple. Good job, buddy. It's a very simple lunch. You can add tortilla chips. We like to use the Siete tortilla chips. They're really good. I hope you guys enjoyed that little lunch. That is definitely one of those lunches where it's super easy and it's filling. I know a lot of the times people expect like really extravagant recipes, but honestly, I just don't have the time to be doing those sorts of recipes on a daily basis. So sometimes it's just really simple. I mean, it's not everyone's cup of tea, but that's okay. I am also going to be doing some tea because it is tea time, and I'm feeling kind of, I don't know, like I want something sweet. So we're gonna create some almond peanut butter cookies. We'll see how they come out. I used to do them all the time, but it's been a hot minute, not going to lie. So hopefully they come out good. All right, we're gonna start with 350 on the oven. I found a recipe online. It's pretty simple. It only has like 5 ingredients, we're gonna try that one. I remember the one that I used to do before was very similar to that one, and it tasted really, really good. So hopefully this will work. I'm gonna use my big oven because my little oven, I don't know, it's kind of crapping out on me. I don't know what's wrong with it. It doesn't heat up properly. It takes forever now. I actually have to replace it. So if you have any recommendations for an over-the-counter oven, let me know. Because I really hate doing like 12 cookies in the huge oven because it consumes so much electricity, but it's all right. We're gonna keep doing it because I don't know which countertop oven to buy. Anyways, let's start these cookies. All right, so it's pretty simple. It requires peanut butter, maple syrup, vanilla extract, almond flour, and it also requires some baking powder. So this is everything we need. Let's start mixing. It's said to use some parchment paper and to lightly coat it with some coconut oil. So I am going to do that.
Always the same until you take a step and let go. You told me that the shade's turning brighter. I don't know how. You showed me every heart is a fighter. Time is now. I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot. Will I grow stronger? Keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me.
All right, it looks like cookie dough. I say so. It says you're supposed to make it look like cookie dough. And now we're gonna form our cookies and place them on the sheet.
There's only time for dreams even greater. I hear the call, and I close my eyes to see even clearer. I see it all. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing.
All right, so they say that it takes about 10 to 12 minutes. This oven is kind of slow, so I'm gonna wait the 12 minutes, and then you're supposed to let them cool down for 10 minutes, and then you can place them on a rack. So far, the dough tastes really good. I hope these work out because we're trying to minimize our carb intake. We're still eating carbs, we're not cutting them out completely, but we do want to minimize it, and sweets is one of the hardest parts. So if these taste good, it's gonna be awesome because you can add chocolate chips to it, you can add walnuts to it. I'm excited. I hope these work out. We'll find out.
So good.
All right, the moment of truth. Here is our cookie. Word on the street is that it's not sweet enough. So let's see.
Oh, man.
Oh, the kids like it though. They're coming for seconds. So here we go. No, they're perfect. They are perfect. Stop, get out of here. They taste really good. I'm surprised. Wow. I can't believe you think this is not sweet enough. What? Ooh, they're really good. I love the texture. Look at these. The texture is amazing on them. It feels like a true cookie. Even though it's almond flour, it's really good. Oh yeah. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Alright, so it is time for dinner. We are going to be doing these sausages. These are the chicken apple sausages. I get these at Costco. They also have them at BJ's. I really like these. They're smoked chicken sausage. They have really good ingredients, no nitrates, and they taste delicious. So that is going to be dinner with a spinach berry salad. So let's get to it because these kids are hungry and they're tired. They need to go to bed. So I need to hurry up.
This should be done fast. These are not frozen because I just got them recently from Costco. And I'm going to cook all 5 of them.
All right, we're gonna slice some onions. You can always add bell peppers to this too. It's really good. But since our lunch already had bell peppers, I'm going to opt out. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of water and close it so that it creates a little bit more juice. All right, let's check on this. It looks good. I'm going to poke it and it's going to release some more juice. And I'm going to turn it on low. So we're gonna work on our salads. It's gonna be some spinach. Then we're gonna add some berries. I have a mix here of blueberries as well as raspberry. And we're gonna slice some strawberries. Place them right on top here. For our dressing, I'm going to add some balsamic vinaigrette, a tiny bit, not a whole bunch, and then add some honey. Honey. And we're going to add some feta cheese. You can always mix the balsamic and honey together in a bowl, in a cup. I'm lazy. You guys should know this by now. Any shortcut that I can make, I'm gonna make it. And I feel that when you just kind of drizzle it like this on top and then mix it when you're sitting down, it tastes good. Obviously, it will be better mixed together in a bowl, but this works. And the last thing that we're gonna add are some sliced almonds. So you can go nuts with this part. I like a good crunch. But this is dinner with our sausage. This is what the kids looks like. I put fruit, I sliced some cheese string between all of them, and then the sausage I break down and I give them half a little croissant. So this is gonna be their dinner, and we're using paper plates because I'm tired. It's been a long day. Alright you guys, this completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm about to go have dinner. But like always, remember to dream big, be brave, and explore life. Until next time. Mwah.